'cause your love is where it's at. Oh.
Mahalaga na tingatan ka, kasi ang sarap magmahal pag alam mo ang tunay.
Kung may taong dapat na mahalin ay walang iba kundi ikaw. Wala ibang makakapigil pa sa akin. Binuhay mo muli ang takbo at tibok ng puso sa iyong pagmamahal. Ang buhay ko muling nag-iba na puno ng saya.
Promise me, my love, don't take another hug. I've been hurt before, I want a new start. No, I know you are not my first love, but I know that from today we can say history stays history, and you will always love me.
Hi, love. I just want to say happy second monthsary for both of us, and I just hope na we stay strong and maging matatag tayo sa anumang pagsubok, anumang problema, anumang pagtatalo, and still stay love each other. And thank you for everything, love. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being my lakas na sabi nga nila. And thank you na rin sa pangunawa. And kasi alam ko mas nakakapangunawa or nakakaunawa ka kaysa sa ating dalawa. Yung kumbaga yung pasensya mo mas okay siya, mas mahaba kaysa sa akin. So thank you for everything talaga. I really appreciate you being my boyfriend. That's why I don't know if I still can spend a day without you. I don't think so. But all I know is sobrang mahal kita, and I am looking forward to be with you. You know, and nandito lang ako sa iyo palagi. Lagi mong tandaan na love kita. Love ni April yan. Si love Aizen. Alam mo naman, since that day that I saw you, I already have a crush on you. But the thing is, I have to keep that for you. So, hindi mo malalaman. And I didn't know that the feeling is mutual until that day that you found out that I don't have any more boyfriend, or I'm no longer in relationship. And thank you for taking that chance and opportunity na kumbaga pasukin yung buhay ko. Kasi kung di mo ginawa yun, I am not going to spend a mot-mot with you. We will be like a friends lang talaga. Pero siguro, it's meant to be happen that day na you felt something na you have to do something about it. Like yung mag-move ka na, gano'n. And probably nagparamdam ka na din para na rin siguro may paramdam ko na rin sa'yo. Na gusto kita. Gano'n. And thank you for everything talaga. And I am thankful that the feeling is mutual. So I just hope love na magtagal pa tayo. And I just hope that we put God in the center of our relationship. And nandun ka at nandyan ako sa'yo sa anumang bagay at sa anumang pagsubok ng darating sa atin. And magkahawak tayo ng kamay na salubungin at harapin kung ano man yung darating pa sa relationship natin. And more monthly, and I hope it's not just monthly, it will be anniversary. I love you so much.